Hydration of alkenes. First method, hydration of it can be a direct method, it can be an indirect method. Direct, indirect. First we will do the direct method, means direct addition of water molecule to an alkene. In presence of a mineral acid. In presence of a mineral acid. And this takes place in accordance with the Markovnikov's rule. What does Markovnikov's rule say? Now for this, of course, this is not unsymmetrical, so no question of a Markovnikov's rule. But if it is unsymmetrical, then it will be taking place according to the Markovnikov's rule. So here we have CH3, CH2, OH, CH3, CH2, this H adds up over here, OH adds up over here. And in this, where it is unsymmetrical, one carbon has less hydrogen, the other carbon has more hydrogen. So it will take place according to the Markovnikov's rule. That means the negative part of the addendum OH will add up to the carbon containing less number of hydrogen atoms. Means this will give a secondary alcohol. That means CH3, CHOH, CH3. This will give a secondary alcohol. This is direct combination where, okay. Another is indirect combination. Indirect method is CH3, CH, we will take this example only, CH2 plus sulfuric acid. First a hydrogen sulfate, indirect method means first a hydrogen sulfate will be formed and then that on hydrolysis will give the alcohol. So this plus, I am writing sulfuric acid in this way just to, okay, now see. The hydrogen adds up to this and the negative part of the addendum adds up to the carbon involved in the double bond, but the carbon contains less number of hydrogen. So in accordance with Markovnikov's rule, that means CH3, CH, and this will form this OSO2OH, and the hydrogen goes here, so it is CH3. This is the intermediate compound form. This is the hydrogen sulfate formed over here. The hydrogen sulfate further on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, this will give CH3, CH, this will give a secondary alcohol, CH3. Hydrogen will add up over here, one HOH actually, so HOH, this will give H2SO4. So H2SO4 is again generated back, H2SO4 is again generated back. Another method, this is direct method and this is the indirect method. In indirect method, first a intermediate is formed and then that is on hydrolysis, this will give the secondary alcohol. Another is by hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration, diborane with the help of diborane. actually B2H6, this is diibroborane, 2BH3, and this BH3 I have written it like this. This does not take place according to Marconi curve. This is anti-Marconi curve, means the BH2 adds up over here and the hydrogen adds up, although the positive part, but it adds up with the CH2. Now, so what do you get over here? This in presence of tetrahydrofuran, THF means tetrahydrofuran, CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2. This is formed, and then this again one molecule of alkene adds up, CH3, CH double bond CH2, one molecule of alkene adds up, and you get the product CH3, CH2, CH2, whole 2, BH. Once again CH3, CH2, sorry, CH double bond CH2, this adds up to this and it forms CH3, CH2, CH2, whole 3B. Trialkyl boron is formed. Now this on alkaline hydrolysis, alkaline H2O2 is taken for hydrolysis. So oxidation, sorry, CH3, CH2, CH2, whole 3 trialkyl. This on treatment with H2O2, this has to be, this peroxide has to be an alkaline solution. This is alkaline solution. This will give 3 molecules of propanol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, and H3BO3. This is boric acid. H3BO3 is boric acid. So in presence of tetrahydrofuran over here, and oxidation takes place. Hydroboration takes place in this way with tetrahydrofuran, hydroboration boron, diborane, this, and this is alkaline H2O2 taken for oxidation. This is one method of preparation. Next is from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides, second. C2H5Br plus, remember this has to be aqueous KOH. This is aqueous. You know, alcoholic KOH will give ethene. So aqueous KOH, and this forms C2H5OH plus KBr. Alkyl halides can also be treated with the C2H5Br plus moist silver oxide. Moist silver oxide is AgOH, it becomes hydroxide. And this can also be C2H5OH plus AgBr. Another is from amines, primary amines. Let's take an amine, C2H5NH2, primary amine, and is treated with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid, HNO2, so I'm writing it like this, see, N2, H2O, forms H2O, forms nitrogen, and C2H5OH. So alkyl halide and nitrous acid will form C2H5OH plus N2 plus H2O. This is another method. Now from carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds like aldehydes and ketones. CH3, C double bond O, H. Aldehyde plus H2 in presence of PT or Ni or lithium aluminium hydride, any strong reducing agent. This CH3, CH2, OH. If it is a ketone, then what will be formed? A secondary alcohol. Also, if it is an acid, CH3COOH plus 4 nascent hydrogen. This only in LiAlH4. This will give CH3, CH2, OH, reduction takes place, reduces, and H2O. So from carbonyl compounds also we have seen that aldehydes give primary alcohol, ketones giving secondary alcohol. Now from Grignard reagent, Grignard reagent, you know that CH3, any of these carbonyl come CH3CHO, C double bond O. Let's take formaldehyde first. This is from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, this is a carbon ion addition reaction. Grignard reagent acts as a carbon ion. So this plus CH3 MgBr. This is the Grignard reagent. Okay. Now this part is the metal part is slightly positive and this is del negative. When the bond shifts here, this acquires a del negative charge and this automatically acquires a del positive center. So the del negative part, this will attach over here and the metal, and what will it form? A intermediate compound will be formed over here. H, hydrogen, CH3 adds up, OMgBr. This on hydrolysis, this will give CH, H, CH3, OH. This and plus Mg, Br, OH or Mg, OH, Br. Okay. So only formaldehyde will give a primary. This is ethanol, CH3CH2OH. This is ethanol, primary alcohol. So only formaldehyde will give primary alcohol. Now if you take any other aldehyde other than formaldehyde, then what will happen? Then it will give a secondary alcohol. This will give a secondary alcohol, CH3. So it becomes CH3, CHOH, CH3, means propane 2-ol. And if you take a ketone, then what happens? Then all the three, it becomes a tertiary alcohol. This becomes a tertiary alcohol. So only formaldehyde will give the primary alcohol, the rest will give tertiary alcohol.